more carbon. Right? Oh, and anything actually is in our PowerPoint, right? So you can restart like this one.
So it's 12 compared to 8.25?
Yeah, 12 or 13 ATP or versus 8.25. Is right? 8.25 ATP. Oh, this is right. Per carbon has more ATP. So during high exercise intensity, had better use carbohydrate. Is right? So I think Levi, so this is why 10 years ago we believe, oh, that is important, right? So we should eat a lot of carbohydrate, right? At that time. We asked to eat, right? Carbon loading is, every study is carbohydrate. And another one, Gatorade, right? So they have a strong like, what is this, interest, right? So they support. American College of Sports Medicine, big support is Gatorade, right? They spend a lot of money to study, so we are very positive to carbohydrate. So right now is understand about the hormone, oh, this is a problem. But if you do not think about hormone, you cannot go that one, right? So we are almost done, right? So it's come here, this is TCA cycle, right? TCA cycle. So oxaloacetate become acetate citrate, oh, I forgot there are isocitrate, is right? Right? Become alpha-ketoglutarate succinate coenzyme, succinate, fumarate, malate. Right? So isocitrate, when become alpha-ketoglutarate, it release one CO2 and it release actually proton, so it's become NADH. But usually we call NADH plus proton, but here it is only NADH released. So NAD plus become NADH. And it releases another CO2, so NAD plus become NADH. And coenzyme enter becomes succinate coenzyme A. Succinate coenzyme when becomes succinate, it release one ATP. But actually GDP become GTP. But GTP become GDP, so it can make ADP to become ATP. Yeah, this is why we call ATP. Right? So many times we said ATP through the GTP. Thank you. So succinate become fumarate, FAD is reduced FADH2, and it's very smart. Put the water here, become malate, and using these two protons, right, become released. So NAD plus become NADH plus proton. So one acyl coenzyme A, right? So the product is 3 NADH plus proton, 1 FADH2, and 1 ATP. Is right? So how many ATP? If goes to the electron test system, right? So one cycle, how many can ATP we got it? So this is 9 and 2 and 1, right? So 12 ATPs, right? So one cycle releases 12 ATP. But here and I already said if you eat amino acid and high exercise intensity, you can increase the speed. Right? Because this is always dependent oxaloacetate. Even you have a lot of acetic coenzyme A, still you cannot use because it still depends on oxaloacetate. So how to increase this concentration? Maybe branch chain amino acid is kind of possible. But to do this one, the day before is important, right? So high exercise intensity, and you can eat carbohydrate and amino acid. So at that time, you have a little bit increased this concentration. So next day, when you exercise, you can get a disadvantage. Right? Doesn't make sense. This is why timing is important. Right? Yeah. So it's right now it's here. So there are electron transport chain systems, right? So complex 1, complex 2, complex 3, mobile carrier Q, cytochrome C or mobile carrier C, and ATP synthesis, right? Doesn't make sense. Well, actually, there are double membrane. So already there are some proton is here. Then less proton is here. Already proton is here. And ADP and inorganic phosphate is here. And how about where this proton and ADP inorganic phosphate at this time?
where they come from.
Right. At rest. Did you remember at rest, low intensity exercise, they just go there, right? Become the substrate part, is right? Doesn't make sense. So through this reaction, right now we have this one, so NADH to come to here, NADH come to here, NADH plus proton come to here. Are there any, oh, this is here, right? This go to here, this is right. This makes sense, right? Yes.
So the protons are shuttled in through NAD and FAD.
Yeah.
How does the phosphate get shuttled in?
Phosphate? Phosphate can move in and move out.
Got it.
ADP, inorganic phosphate proton move in, move out.
It's because it's less.
So this is double membrane, double membrane, but something is allowed, but something doesn't allow. But my understanding is the proton inorganic phosphate is allowed. But the problem is proton is inside, is right now to move outside is through this intermembrane space. So NADH or NADH plus proton, right? So they release 2 proton and they release 2 electron. So 2 electron go to the complex 1, so activate it, the proton move into the intermembrane space. Does it make sense? So right now it's inside, because this is small space, so a lot of proton is here, and NADH plus proton become NAD plus and go to here or go to here or go to another places, right? Together more, because this is metabolic taxi. Yeah, so it's here right now. See, this electron to activate this one and go to the second complex 2. So activate this proton pump 2, so proton release. And go to the third one, it's more proton release, more proton release. And this electron finally go to here. Oh, there are something is waiting for here. Oh my goodness, what is this?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. Do you agree? Electron hold oxygen. Oxygen is here. But how about if we draw like this? That is incorrect. Why? It become water, right? So this electron and this proton, oxygen become water. But I had better don't draw like this, because there are no oxygen. Whenever oxygen is just become water. Does it make sense? So how about how much concentration in the mitochondria oxygen? 0. It doesn't make sense. If you have too much, because mass density, if we cannot go there. Yes, there are a lot of oxygen demand, but whenever oxygen come in and disappear, become water. It doesn't make sense. So how to get more oxygen? You need high exercise intensity. So whenever oxygen is disappear, if you have no more oxygen, so right now it's blood, right? Hemoglobin. Hemoglobin has oxygen, is right. How about, did you remember hemoglobin saturation? Did you remember hemoglobin saturation? Hemoglobin saturation should be low to get oxygen from the hemoglobin, is right. When hemoglobin is such low, if there are partial pressure, oxygen should be nothing is here. There are no oxygen, this oxygen can go this way. If you have a lot of oxygen, it doesn't need to go here. So hemoglobin still combine oxygen.
So does that mean hemoglobin saturation has to be high for it to move into the mitochondria?
So no, it's like inside oxygen saturation. So partial pressure oxygen should be lower than outside.
Yeah, and the
Yeah.
hemoglobin should be higher saturation.
Yes.
Okay.
A high, less saturation.
Okay. Okay.
So
want
because
something to be more
inside is really low,
Mhm.
so it has saturation lower to can give more. So if you do not exercise, it means we do not need any demand, is right? So it doesn't need to give. So hemoglobin has oxygen, right? Oxygen saturation is high, saturated.
Oh, so, okay. So
Yeah.
after the oxygen
Right.
moves into the mitochondria,
Right.
the hemoglobin saturation
Yes,
is low. Okay.
high exercise intensity, oxygen demand, so its saturation decrease, so it's give to the
Okay.
to give the oxygen to the actually first myoglobin first, and myoglobin go to the here give oxygen, is right. So, myoglobin is here to give oxygen to the mitochondria, right? Myoglobin.
Thank
So myoglobin, hemoglobin, we need the steak, is right? We need the steak. We need this steak. So NADH plus proton start complex 1, but FADH, another FADH start after complex 1, so give electron to the after complex 1, so this is your FADH. Release how many ATP? It is our exam 2.
3.
Yeah, FADH 2.
Oh, 2.
Right? Yeah, and NADH 3 ATP because they're different unit, right? So I think that is my like really impressive thing is there are no oxygen this one. Yeah, but right now some suppressor company they sell oxygen, but how to get more oxygen? Here we have less oxygen, but they put the oxygen more here. Is it right? But that is dangerous. This oxygen can be like what is this? Free radical can break this mitochondria, right? Right. So this is really important organelle in our cell, but many people do not exercise and eat too much, so their mitochondria is poor or die. Finally, this cell use only energy from the carbohydrate. This case, especially this enzyme, pyruvic dehydrogenases. I heard why we have cancer cell. This has genetically changed because use too much. So actually, it make a lot of lactate. So it means we can keep enter glucose molecule even without exercise, because make lactate. So they can see the scan, right? They can scan if some cancer, right, has a lot of lactate. So they said, oh, you have a cancer, right? That kind of approach. So to do this one, actually is George Brook, right? George Brook said, lactate can help. Lactate can help is our like cancer, but I'm not really sure the mechanism. So another person said, oh, okay, so lactate is help. So which kind of food has a lot of lactate? So did you remember which kind of food has much lactate? Hint is me. Korean. Kimchi, right?
Fermented.
Kimchi has a lot of lactate. Fermented is right. But you know, the death rate number 1 in Korea is cancer. So I believe to eat lactate, I don't know, it's really good. But how about exercise, high intensity, to make more lactate? It can prevent his cancer, right? Based on his opinion, is it right? Release lactate using the exercise. But same exercise intensity, release too much lactate, you must stop, is it right? But how about HIIT program? You can maximize lactate formation, is it right? And at the same time, you can consume. So this is why this kind of understanding, we can make really good exercise program. It's not just for performance and metabolic disease also. I think it's pretty good, but I want to check my paper. Any question I would ask you guys. Oh, so how about, I think you understand this is why one acyl coenzyme A release 12 ATP. Is right? And this amino acid actually brain BCAA, brain chain amino acid, is right? Usually. And this ATP calculation, right? I'm sorry, it's a little bit too busy, but it's here, right? Maybe true and false quiz, right? So two acyl coenzyme A, which one has more like ATP, right? Like I said it's fat, right? But actually carbohydrate. And how about, just I can share with you guys. You can share, right? Yeah, you can use copy or anything is okay for me, right? Yeah. So I believe, right, that is everything. And I just put here, so maybe check, you can copy or you can give to the student, right? It's up to you when you study. Yes?
What does the body do with excess lactate? Does it just go to the liver?
Oh yeah, go recycle. But for me, I do not understand the liver. Just using the HIIT program, just during exercise already is used, right? Like that kind of approach. I want to really clean the liver. So actually, Levi, why I try to eat high-fat, low-carb diet? Because I have a fatty liver.
You do?
Yeah, so actually I feel I like a Parker body. I lift heavy weight, do not really run. And short, but I was 180 pounds, but most of the muscle mass. So I think I'm no problem. But when I using the seatbelt, I touch something here. So that is kind of a fatty liver, right? It's exactly that position, right? So if you feel is something is here, there is a fatty liver, and one day is really painful, even couldn't drive, right? So at that time, had better don't go to the doctor. I want to reduce this, so I just research and finally I understand. So this is why I changed the diet, and right now I think it's no problem, right? Nothing is inside.
Did you ever get tested, or did you just?
This is why I keep criticize, right? American is right. It's just it's case that
Healthcare.
even I have really good rights. What is this? Insurance couldn't meet. So this May I'll meet the nurse, and June I'll meet the doctor. But it's not doctor. It's a nurse practitioner. So,
That could be gallstones too.
yeah. So this is why. But anyway, I should meet, right? But right now I think feel much better and no painful, nothing there, right? Any question? Yeah. Okay, so I'm open policy, you know it, right? Any question, please come. But I believe, yeah, why not? You take a picture and what is this? You're using this one. I believe, I think the Levi and Jake, Adam, you can copy it, right? This is
Make a copy.
yeah, yeah.
In the
This size.
Probably.
I
I
think
don't know.
11, 18, right?
No idea yet. This copy is kind of scary.
So how about I think I had a better copy for you, and I'll put this on my post box, so you can take out. Right? Does it make sense? Yeah.
Give it a shot.
Still same, Dr. Go. Oh, not too many. I believe it's not too many, right?
The pink highlighter is a nice touch. So then for the rest of this class, we have the option to continue going over this with questions or collect data.
Oh, today you mean today?
Yes, today.
Today, what do you want? Right? I can be stay there. So if you want to collect data, we can collect data at the human purpose lab, or you do not need to collect it right now.
Or we ask questions and go over this.
Oh, why not? Oh, why not? That is much better.
That's the other option as
Yeah,
well.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And another one, this exam is like this kind of traditional exam. It's not anymore this one. So after this one, we have just case study, right? Not like this. This is only one, and 300 point, and lab report and like presentation, right? So this is only one to like our traditional exam.
And that's 1 week from today, right?
Yeah, next week. Yeah, before the spring break. So Paco, you can enjoy spring break, is right?